And you got a company keeper in God. Has God ever kept your company? I mean, you can just be sitting in the living room looking out the window. You ain't even thinking about no scripture. You ain't singing about no song. Just you and God is your company keeper. Psalms 23:4 says, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Why? For thou art with me. How do I know you're with me? Your rod and your staff, they let me know that you're with me. Have you ever noticed that the shepherd in the 23rd Psalm never speaks a word? You never hear the voice of the shepherd in the 23rd Psalm. The shepherd is walking through the valley, restoring strength and giving food and meeting your need, but he ain't never said nothing. He just a company keeper. I'm in the valley keeping you company. I'm in the hospital keeping you company. I'm in your sick room keeping you company. I am with you as a company keeper.